What's going on, guys? Here I have this BMW and the windows have Xpel Prime XR Plus tints, and that is a mouthful, but I want to show you guys how it looks in the sunlight. So the windows have 35% tint on the doors and rear window, and then on the windshield on this car it does have a 70% tint, including the sunroof. So here is a look at the rear of the car. The tint does look slightly different in the shade as well as in the sun. So from this angle here, on this side, it is the shade, and it does provide a nice smoky look. You can still see through the windows and see people through. That's a look at the interior of the car. A little bit of a glossy finish today, so it's a little bit hard to see the interior of the car. Again, the windshield has that 70% tint on it as well. And this Xpel Prime XR Plus, that's the highest grade ceramic tint Xpel offers. From this angle, we're getting direct sunlight on the car. And so that's what it looks like with direct sunlight. Again, that 35% tint on the doors. Let's go ahead and go inside the car and take a look. So that's what it looks like looking out of the windshield with that 70% tint. It's extremely low. And then 35% tint on the side windows and rear. So just a nice smoky look. And the interior on this car is the cognac leather. Now, I have had different grade tints before. I've had $200 tints, $500 tints, and this one I think was $850 for the 4 doors and back. So there's an entry level, then there's hybrid tints, which is a mix of ceramic and your traditional tints, and then your full ceramic tints, which generally cost $800 to $900, like on this car. So I will leave my thoughts down below. On all of my cars, I've had the low end, the entry level, the mid grade, and I finally opted for the high end tint on this car. So I will put a comparison in the description on what I think, and I really wanted to try it out this time around just to see what the difference would be like. This specific tint offers 99% harmful UV ray protection, and then it blocks out 98% of heat rejection. So again, that is a look at the tint. The installer did a great job on this car. And if you guys are in the DMV area, I went to AAPP in Rockville. So just a plug for them, but flawless installation, and I think the tint does look really good. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this tint. Would you go darker or lighter? And would you do full ceramic, or would you do one of the cheaper options? Right off the bat, I would say that, entry-level tint already does a really good job, and a hybrid does an even better job. To go from a hybrid to full ceramic, that price difference, you're not getting a lot more. But if you're in like Florida or something like that, where there's very high heat and hot summers, you might want that heat rejection. So it might be worth it for you. Go ahead, leave your comments down below. I will try to get them answered, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, especially on this BMW G20. Subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.